Hi guys, so in this section we'll discuss about radio button. Radio button is nothing but only one option can be selected. Okay, so to define a radio button we have to use input tag only, and the type should be radio, and name is name of radio button, and value we are not defining right now, but it will use when we discuss about JavaScript or server side programming. Okay, and here another radio button we define, and you see the name of both radio button is same. Okay, this is very important, otherwise we are giving different name for each radio button, all can be selected. Okay, that is not our purpose. Okay, now it's defined, let's see how it will work. You open that page and see this is yes and no, and any one can be selected. If you define different name for radio, one second. Okay, suppose you giving, you know, save yes, and now come to web page, reload it again. Now you see you can select both, so always name should be same only. Okay, thank you.